Morning. Hey, how you doing, Jerry?
Court calls State of Texas versus Jeremiah Pond. This is 2025 CC 001071. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application, and we are live streaming the proceedings so it's open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in County Court at Law Number 6 in Bexar County, Texas, and specifically in the jail court. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the State of Texas, please.
Austin Alvord for the state.
Andrea Matos for the defense.
Sir, are you the same Jeremiah Pond charged by information with criminal trespass? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir, I am.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called Share Screen. I'm going to show you a document. It's called the Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir, it is.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally we do pleas live in an open court, but you are consenting to do this plea by video conference. Do you understand that when you sign this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all of the electronic signatures on the documents in the packet, in the packet in front of me, you're telling me that those are valid as if they're personally signed. Did you understand?
Oh, yeah.
When you sign this?
I signed it right there with the mouse on the computer.
All right, but did you understand that all the signatures, the electronic ones, you're saying that they're valid as if they were personally signed?
I am. I do.
All right, I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Sir, I'm scrolling down to another document. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's 2 pages. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, she explained it to me.
Did you understand it?
Absolutely.
On page 2, I'm using my cursor to circle electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir. It's true.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, I understand.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. And state, can you relate to me the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine, court cost, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Pond, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes, my attorney explained it to me, and that's very much appreciated by.
All right. Well, I appreciate your comments, but remember now, I am not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's up to you, sir. You're the judge. I apologize. It's been a while since I've done court.
It's okay, but just one at a time because the court reporter can't take down both of us talking at the same time. So I'll ask you again, do you understand that I'm not bound by the plea bargain and I do not have to follow it? Do you understand that?
I understand, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I understand.
That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I will allow you to withdraw the plea. We'll proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
I am.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual or rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
you believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Mr. Pond, did you hear me?
I'm sorry. No, I did not.
Okay. How do you plead on the allegation that's listed on the information? Do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand that you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes.
Other than your plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
I believe so. Yes.
I find that the plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, that he's mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find him guilty. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, and in accordance with the agreement of the state, sir, I sentence you to 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. This is $0 fine and court costs. Time and the money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain. So you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. And for the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
The matter is concluded. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bless you, man.
Bless you too, sir.
All right. Move on up that letter. Land of opportunity. America. As we all do.
All right. Ms. Guzman, do we have another one ready?
So do I go now or?
Just wait for the deputies. I appreciate it, but just wait for the
Very
deputies to direct you from there.
Oh,
We're trying to get another one ready, but I don't know who's going to be sitting in that chair next. So just hang tight.
so-
Also, Judge, that's all I have for today. May I be excused?
Yes, Ms. Matos.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for coming in. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.